Good day, everyone. I'm Marta Cervantes from second year St. Simon, and now I'm gonna present you my story. The title is Long Time Ago. Once there was a man named Molo. He's very tall, his skin is dark, his hair is a mess, his clothes are only dry leaves, but his eyes, he got eyes like the shining stars in the night sky. He got beautiful eyes. Molo has many scars and bruises because he lives in the jungle. Well, the jungle is his home in city anyway. One day, the sun is shining so bright, the clouds are white as cotton. Tweet, 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 the birds sing loudly and gracefully. As he walks from the woods, he can't see because of the tall trees. So, the sunlight talks to him and guides him along the way. While he was walking, he heard something from his left side. "Help, please! Help me!" said the voice. So Molo ran and ran as fast as he could and followed the voice. Then Molo saw a woman under the huge trunk of the tall tree. "Oh, please, help me," said the woman. Molo then helped the woman. As he helped the woman, she thanked Molo. As Molo pulled her up, he was fascinated on what he saw. Then the woman introduced herself to Molo. Thank you for helping me. By the way, I'm Dia. And you?" Molo was just staring at her beauty, as if it was like he's in a dream, because Gia is a natural beauty. Her eyes sparkles like a diamond, her mouth is red as a rose, her cheeks are rosy, she's a little bit smaller than Molo, her hair is long from head to her chest. And the most wonderful thing about Gia is her simple sweet smile. Then Gia holds Molo's hand and asks him, "Are you okay?" Then Molo was awakened from his daydreaming, then said, "Oh, yes, I'm Molo. Next time, try to be careful, okay? I gotta go." But Gia turns into sad face and begged Molo to kindly stay and be friends with her, because both of them have no friends except animals and themselves. So Molo agreed. They both had a great time. More laughs, more emotional conversations, and of course, a lot of smiles. As time passes by, Gia, I think it's getting late. We should go now. Okay, take care. Gia felt a little bit sad, but she agreed. So they now walk and go to the place where they called home. While Molo is walking, he can't stop thinking about Gia's sweet smile. He felt love. On Gia's side, wow, his eyes. Wait, what I was thinking? What is this feeling? Never mind, I'm happy. She felt love. As days passes by, Molo and Gia are spending a lot more time together until the love inside of them gets deeper and deeper. It's like digging a deep well. Until they admit and tell what they really feel for each other because they can't hold their feelings anymore. Until they become couples. Do you understand why they fall in love so fast and easily? It is because Molo and Gia are both orphans and they thought that they are the only one who's living on earth. And when they met each other, especially they are in different gender and personality, they are so desperate to see, meet, talk, touch, and spend more time together. And they easily get attracted with each other because there's no one else around them. That's why when the time comes that Molo and Gia met each other, they get attracted that fast and both of them felt love, love, love.